In my recent trip in Bhutan, I went to Bhutan's Textile Museum. It's in Thimphu. At the Textile Museum, where threads speak louder than words, it is a reflection of the Himalayas, the misty valleys, and prayers carried softly by the mountain breeze. On the backstrip loom, Bhutanese weavers work with patience that flows like the sound of temple bells, transforming fabric into landscape you can wear. Here, fabric isn't just fashion, it's history woven in color. Every thread tells a story. Patterns aren't just pretty, they show your region, your status, even your marital vibes. Now here is the cool part. If you zoom south to the Chittagong hill tracks in Bangladesh, you will see a similar vibe of weavers.